Check out this 2006 Infiniti N35. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: brake assist, cruise control, emergency trunk release, climate control, rear defrost, sun roof, power door locks, power mirror, and remote trunk release. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.